Ever wish you could turn back the clock and reclaim that youthful energy? Well, get ready because today, we're sharing a magical elixir that can do just that. Stick around to learn about this age-defying drink that you'll want to sip on every morning. But before we spill the beans, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on longevity tips and secrets from Life of Longevity. Alright, let's dive into this fountain of youth. So what's the secret ingredient, you ask? It's none other than, drumroll, please, berries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals and protect your cells from aging. Simply blend together a handful of mixed berries, a banana for creamies, a splash of almond milk, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. And voila! You've got yourself a delicious and nutritious anti-aging smoothie that'll kickstart your day with a burst of vitality. So next time you reach for that morning cup of joe, why not opt for this age-reversing elixir instead? Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to Life of Longevity for more longevity and health-boosting recipes and tips. Until next time, stay youthful and vibrant.